Good morning, everyone. So today our group will be presenting on CRM system at Oyo Rooms. The members of the team are me, Vaibhav Kataria, Ayush Kumar Jain, Akshat Kumar, Hardik, Sanket, and Mayank Dada. So the CRM system that is used in Oyo Room is Blueshift. But let's first talk about the CRM system in hotel industry. So as we all know that CRM is very essential in the hospitality industry as it helps a company to exceed its customer expectation by enhancing the aesthetic value of its service and providing the opportunity to build effective interpersonal relations. Following are the six main key features of the CRM system. The first one is that it is a one-stop database, which means that it contains all relevant information, that is data pertaining to its customer, which are constantly updated to accommodate any changes. This facilitates for quick identification of data regarding the customer, which aids in faster problem solving. Next one is that it enhances sales productivity, which means that repetitive sales tasks like sending bulk emails and generating reports that can be automated and that can save a lot of manpower. The CRM mobile access allows sales team in the hotel industry to have ready access to their customer preferences, which helps them in creating more lucrative offers for their clients. The third one is customer retention. While competition and product dissatisfaction account for only 9% and 14% of customer loss respectively, but 69% of customers move away from a company to another due to the lack of personal bond with the company. So customer retention basically refers to the ability of a company or product to retain its customer over a specific period of time. High customer retention means customer of a product or business tend to or return to continue to buy in some or other way, not defect to other product or non-use entirely. One of the most important or common customer retention example is rewarding customer for doing businesses with a brand. Oyo does this in a way by providing um, rewards in form of Oyo money to his customer internet wallet. Next we have is customization. So the CRM software allows the hotel industry to customize products according to the target audience. While for certain customers, value for money is the priority, but for many, luxury and overall uh, aesthetics is the priority. Next we have is increased referrals. With its focus on customer satisfaction, CRM creates a good referral base as content customer give favorable reviews, which in turn solidifies the company reputation. And in the last, we have better customer support. So CRM software basically builds an effective customer support system that is fast and provides assistance to client through phone, chat, email, and even in person. So as we all know that Oyo is one of the largest hotel chain, not even in India but internationally also. It is the biggest network of hotels offering standardized stay experiences at unmatched price. It has more than 7,000 hotels in 200 plus cities, along with millions of web and mobile visitors every month turn to them to book a room. At Hoyo, every decision taken is to drive a stellar end-to-end experience. Customer experience is ensured by leveraging technology to drive efficiency, reduce friction, and even predict customer behavior. Oyo's team gather insights and feedback to make Oyo experience more personalized and customer centric. Now over to you, Sanket.
Thank you, Abhav. Now I will be explaining about the CRM system of OYO and the objectives that OYO have. OYO uses Blueshift CRM in their teams. So what is Blueshift? Blueshift is a reliable, fast, dynamic and perfect for fast-growing CRM teams. The Blueshift SmartUp CDP gives marketers all the tools they need to deliver relevant connected experiences across the entire omnichannel customer journey. The single, flexible, easy to use platform unifies customer data from any source, unlocks intelligence with customizable AI, and activates data in real time with automated decisioning. Marketers can now orchestrate connected omnichannel customer experiences shaped around customer understanding and behaviors in real time. Oyo wanted to reduce abandonment through targeted price drop alerts and abandoned search reminders across key marketing channels. Next was the location based targeting. It can also be said as location based recommendation system. So this is being used by many big companies like Amazon, Tinder, YouTube, and many other companies. So what is this system? So in this system, it automatically suggests an item to a user that he or she might be interested in. Small scale datasets are used to provide recommendation based on location, but in real time the volume of data is large. So Oyo knows it's all about being location aware and building an experience around their intended destination. This is one of the important objectives that Oyo have. The third objective, single 360-degree view of each customer. Oyo needed insights into how each customer transacted and engaged across multiple channels and platforms to better optimize the user experience. Then comes the fourth one, that is increase app uses. 65% of Oyo customers were engaging on their app, and how we were setting up targeted personalized app campaigns to drive further engagement was a major obstacle, which is why it was taken as an objective to improve the experience of or the profits of the Oyo. Next was the target and track anonymous users. Oyo looked to target anonymous users and record their behavior until they become known for current and future initiatives. Next was the unified reporting. Oyo was using multiple tools for emails, SMS, and app notifications, making it difficult to track preferred channels for customers and deliver to the right channel at the right time. Then the next objective was synchronize cross-channel data. Marrying online behavior with their offline data, including field teams and call centers, had been a constant obstacle for the Oyo. So they brought this into their objectives and tried to rectify this. Next and last objective of Oyo was quick segmentation. Oyo evolved to cater to customers of all demographics with different needs. Sending just the right personalized communication to these customers was paramount. So this was the CRM system and objective that was being used by Oyo. Thank you, ma'am. Over to you, Hardik.
So thank you, Sanket. Now I'll be explaining about some of the CRM activities that are performed by the Blueshift CRM. So these include data unification. Basically, it can unify historical and online and offline data with up to the date behavioral data. It offers a 360-degree customer view, which helps in creating a unified view of each customer, which is updated in real time. It offers a cross-channel engagement, which helps in building a cross-platform triggered campaigns and operating across customer lifecycle. It helps in campaign reporting, and which helps in executing campaigns quickly with a single dashboard reporting. So let's talk about the push notification system of Blueshift CRM. So with the help of Blueshift CRM, Oyo focuses on not only being an affordable booking option, but also providing predictably in hotel stay experiences. Building a full 360-degree view of every customer across online, email, and their offline sources would be foundation to building out a truly cross-platform customer experience, from email to mobile, push to SMS. So basically, with the push notification, Oyo was able to improve its delivery rate by 44% for Xiaomi devices. The platform offers a unique fallback mechanism to deliver notifications at a later time in case of the FCM fails. Using this feature, the brand was able to deliver its push notification to users who owned a Xiaomi or any other Chinese smartphone. This meant that they increased their overall campaign efficiency delivery by a whopping 25%. Not only they were able to reach more users, but sending the right push notifications also helped in converting more users in the long run. Once the delivery was sorted, Oyo decided to focus on personalized user experience. So Blueshift CRM also offers customized one of its kind services. So recently Oyo launched the first of its kind feature of early sunrise check-in across its network, becoming the first hotel chain in the world to offer confirmed early check-ins. A concierge-like service called OYO Captains was introduced to create a local assistant network that can take care of on-stay concerns or issues. So now we'll compare the CRM system of OYO versus with the CRM system of Airbnb. So in Airbnb, the apartments are sometimes misinterpreted, which are not in the case of OYO. OYO has more hotel rooms, whereas Airbnb has more residential plots. Calendar bookings are sometimes wrong in Airbnb, but OYO once booked as it is finalized. The host is sometimes unreachable in Airbnb, but it is not the case of OYO. Airbnb doesn't do a full background check, so security and safety are an issue, but not in the case of OYO. Host cancellation can be done in last minute in Airbnb, but this is not always possible in the case of OYO. So now over to you, Akshit.
Thank you, Hardik. Now let's understand OYO's three phases of CRM. Phase 1, which consists of the brain and the muscle. The brain is to provide insights on customers' journey, smart segmentation, analytic strategy, and execution of campaigns. The muscle is to provide support to various aspects of the campaign. Moving on to phase 2, which consists of city prediction, personalization, recommendation, and engagement. City prediction is to provide the right offers to the user. Personalization is to understand the intent of the user and deliver them the right offers. Recommendation is basically recommending hotels in the right city, right locality, and the right category to the customers. And finally, the engagement is to engage with users of multiple campaigns across different verticals. Now, moving on to phase 3. It is basically to create a recency frequency monitoring model, also known as RFM model, and integrate it with the personalization layer built in phase 2 to personalize the customer's journey. Now let's understand the CRM structure at OYO. The team structure at OYO has undergone a massive change from the time it began its operations. Once the acquisition team brings in the users to the app, the CRM team takes over. The CRM team is divided into 3 parts. The first one being Baby CRM. This team handholds the new users right from the time they install the app to signing up and booking a room for the first time. Retention CRM team. This team is responsible for generating repeat business based on the preference of the user. The objective is to move the user from early stage to a power user. Now it is very important to understand at this stage that why is customer retention essential in today's time. While customer retention helps keep a company's revenue stream intact, new customer acquisition helps in achieving the expansion goals. Therefore, to sustain the competition, the company must devise strategies to prevent losing customers and acquire new ones. For this, what OYO does is that they provide rewards for referrals and discounts in the form of OYO money in the customer's wallet so that they can book in the future as well. Moving on to churn team. The churn team helps in bringing back the churned users or customers to the app again by tracking them based on their life cycle, use cases, and their frequency. This brings us to 6 churn reduction strategies that can help save the business. Number 1, find out what customers are cancelling. Number 2, create a magnetic onboarding process. Number 3, build customer loyalty. Be honest and transparent. Celebrate your customers. And lastly, analyze churn by customer segmentations.
Thank you, Akshit. Now I will take the analytical CRM. So first of all, what are the features of the Blueshift CRM which OYO uses are customer segmentation, 360-degree view, usage patterns and growth. In customer segmentation, through deployment of Blueshift, customer data is processed and quick segmenting is done. In 360-degree view, OYO now has the capability to map offline and call center booking with the online profile of customers and track activities. In usage patterns, through usage of data visualization, OYO maps usage patterns and identify opportunities for better features and experiences. In growth, OYO maps the queries to identify areas for expansion and plan strategies for future scope of growth. Now, Blueshift has been transforming travel, like it has shown the data without the use of human resource. It shows that 28% travelers book a hotel after arriving in the city, 36%, over one third bookings are driven by couples, 36% business travel continues to be a top driver for the hotel demand. Customer preferences for OYO now cuts across city limits. 294 maximum room nights booked by a user. Top countries like Malaysia, UAE, USA, Nepal, Singapore, UK have Indian hotels global demand. OYO is increasingly being used for long stays like 183 days in a row, and on demand has arrived like one OYO booked every 3 seconds. Now I will explain analytical CRM use cases. So as you can see in exhibit 1, it shows that it shows the booking location tracking. Insights are users booking even while on the route. Action customized pop-ups when user tracked on highways. Exhibit 2 is a sunrise check-in. Inside 50,000 plus users changing plans due to 12 p.m. checkout. Action first in the world 6 a.m. check-in feature. Exhibit 3, OYO Captains, Insight, local queries and high weightage to customer experiences. Action, localized OYO Captains to resolve queries. Thank you.
So thank you, Ayush. So now I'll be covering how CRM can help hotels with recovery post COVID-19. So there are basically 7 steps which hotel industries can use to sustain after the COVID-19. So these are segmentation, email marketing, pre-arrival emails, pre-arrival surveys, guest profiles, on-property communication, and tracking and reporting. So now I'll explain everything in detail. So let's start with segmentation. So reliable segments from the past may have changed drastically since the global pandemic. So it is important to strategize about what segments will be the first to be able to travel. The second is email marketing. So people need confidence before they travel again, and safety will be the huge deciding factor for those thinking about booking, which should be kept in mind while deciding communication efforts. Third is pre-arrival emails. So pre-arrival emails can be the best way to excite guests about their upcoming trip and communicate about important changes like check-in process, room cleaning schedule, etc. And in addition to that, dynamic content can also be used. Fourth is pre-arrival surveys. So pre-arrival surveys will open up dialogue between the guests and make them feel comfortable before arriving. So channeling queries and storing the data within CRM will streamline reopening and guest experience. Fifth is guest profile. So a guest profile are the cornerstone of CRM. Those customers should be targeted who are more likely to travel based on the location and previous spend. Sixth is on-property communication. So the human side of hospitality will always be what people make travel, and that will never change. So while guests are on site, automated emails can be used to communicate about their changes to dining reservations, updated pool opening hours, and revised cleaning schedule. And the last is tracking and reporting. So while ramping up, it is imperative to keep track of progress and success. A robust CRM allows to prepare, strategize, build, and restructure for a strong recovery. So that's all from our side. Thank you.